We play drums and read.
What you gonna read?
On the books, on your big books.
What book? What book did you read last night?
I didn't read it. What's it called? What's it called, Mama?
What it called?
Yes.
What it's called?
Yes.
The blue kangaroo?
Blue kangaroo.
What happened in the book? I wanna know.
Huh?
What happened in the book? I'm so excited to hear it.
What's that like this?
What happened in the book?
What's that like this?
What happened in the book?
What is that making noise?
You heard something making noise? What is it? What is it?
Oh, man. It's a washing machine.
Ain't no washing machine on making no noise.
What is it?
I don't know. You tell me.
R.
R.
R. R. R.
So what you gonna do?
This is what I put on.
What you gonna do about the noise?
Wobbies.
Huh?
Lay down my wobbies.
What you saying?
I say wobbies.
I don't know what that means.
Wobbies.
Okay. Well, thanks for talking to me.
Makas.
What you speaking?
Wakas.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.